I'm not like the Flash at all. Some would say I'm the reverse.
Yo, what is up? So, we're gonna continue with some character creator stuff. Lord Kenny, what's up, Lord Kenny? So yeah, I was having some lag issues earlier, so I guess we'll see if they stick around. Hopefully not. Hopefully they have gone away. Yeah, I started up a stream earlier and immediately started dealing with lag, so I was like, screw this. I'm just gonna end the stream, not fighting with lag. Hi man, not much. How about you? How are you? I'm doing pretty good. Doing fairly well. I noticed an 8-minute stream earlier. Yeah, I started it and immediately was fighting with lag. So I was like, screw this. I'm not doing this. Not immediately fighting with lag. So I just ended it. I was like, nope. Not happening. So we'll see if this one does the same thing. So far, it seems to be better. Did everything go well when you went back to your old employer yesterday? Yeah, everything went pretty good. I talked to him. He said he was going to talk to the hiring folks, so we'll see what happens. Doesn't mean I got the job, but we'll see if they call me. I'll give it like a week or two, and if I don't hear anything, I'll start applying for some other places. Fingers crossed for you, man. Yeah, it'd be nice. They've gone up on their pay too. They pay $18 an hour now, which is, I think when I quit, I was making like almost $16 an hour. It would be nice having more money than I had before. Oh, that's not bad at all. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I get some stuff done with that. I could definitely get some shiz done with that. Definitely gonna save up for a new PC like immediately. That's gonna be like the first thing on the goal list. And if I can get a new PC, I might just straight up go open world with this game. Because I would like to do open world, but I just need that PC. Good on you, man. Yeah, well, hopefully I get the damn job. If not, I'm going to apply for some other places and see how that goes. I'd rather just go back there, though, because I know the job. I know it's fairly easy. And, yeah. Plus, the hours aren't too long. I feel like every other place around here that hires are doing like 12-hour shifts. And 12-hour shifts, dude. 12-hour shifts are so damn long. Yeah, screw 12-hour shifts, man. Because that's only time while you're working. That doesn't include time getting ready for work, going to work, getting back from work, eating, showering. All of that, man, that takes up literally your whole entire day. Like, no chill time. So I rebuilt my UI. All of this stuff. I rebuilt all of this with the new UI stuff. Yeah, I wouldn't want to work that long. Yeah, 12 hours is too long. I don't see how people do it. You have no time for anything else? Yeah, literally no time. I wouldn't even get enough sleep with that many hours. But if I don't go back, that's probably what it'll be. I'll probably get some dumbass job with 12 hours of sleep. Or 12 hours shifts. Honestly Bad, good afternoon, Carrie. What's up? Honestly Bad, what you got going on? What is up? We still working on this damn character creator. Still got a bit to do with this. Oh, just loving life right now? Ooh. Why you loving life so much? Did you win the lottery? Oh shit. You did. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that. Shit, if I won the... What would you do if you won the lottery, Lord Kenny? What would you do? If I won the lottery, I would... I think I'd probably just start up a studio. Start up a game dev studio. I would definitely buy a house, buy a car. That kind of stuff. And yeah. Definitely get a way nicer PC. Oh, you know, 2 big projects thrown at me due Tuesday, and I'm supposed to go to MagicCon this weekend, but I also have 2 more papers to write for my history class, so, oh. Sounds like you're gonna be doing some homework at MagicCon. Sounds like you're gonna be at a con doing some work. I would do the same thing, basically start my life properly with a bang. Yeah, if I won the lottery, dude, I'd be set. I'd start up a business. Start a business. I was supposed to go Friday through Sunday, but most likely only going Saturday now, so I'm bummed. Yeah, that sucks. And that shit's pretty expensive too, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, at least you can go a little bit though, right? Better than not going at all. You know what we could do? I have my Infernian class set up, but we don't have a tilt. We don't have horns yet. So we could make some horns. I'm just not sure if I have any good textures for horns. Wonder if I can find... I don't know where I would get some good horn material. It's probably not on Quixel, right? Or maybe I could. I do have that material we set up with Casey. I could probably make a horn material from here work if I just do some of the other stuff with that material. Let's see if we can find some horns. Paid $500 for the weekend pass with premium stuff, so... Oh, dude, you already paid too. Oh, man, that shit's... That's rough. There's no way to get like a refund on some of the days. I should get a job too. I've never had a job ever. Oh man, jobs suck. I hate jobs. Having money is nice, but being at work sucks ass. Nope. Oh, that sucks. So that's just money down the drain. That's just money down the damn drain. Okay, so yeah, they don't have any horn materials, but we can maybe grab... Maybe we could just use these horns. Let me grab this. Maybe we could just use them. How do these horns look? Does this look like a decent horn for a devil class? Looks like a decent horn to me. Just something I've got to do. I'll make money, work on my game, and in the future, hopefully game development will fund everything for me. I mean, I guess game development is work, but it's fun work. Yeah, it's just like getting to the point where you can only do that and make money with that. It's really freaking hard. Really freaking hard. The best thing would probably be like, make like I mean, I'm not doing the same. I'm not doing it either, but the easiest way would probably be to make like small, simple, a little bit more simple games to try to get some money quicker. But my dumbass is building a RPG that's gonna take years, so I don't think that's gonna that I ain't gonna get no money from this for a while. Yeah, having a job, making money's, you know, it is what it is. I mean, games that might only take like a month, maybe not like a month, but like a few months, yeah, something like that. Yeah, like I think like something that would be really easy to get like a solid start and getting some funding would be making like indie horror games. Like I think indie horror games would be like a solid starter like funding project to like start your studio up, because they're not that crazy to make. No idea. I think it's calmed down a bit now. Has it? It still just looks frozen to me. Oh, it looks, it's fine over here, but it's just straight up frozen on my other screen. Let me reset it. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea why it's doing that. My speeds are fine. It's either a Twitch issue or I have no idea what else the other issue would be. We'll see if it sticks around. We shall see. If it sticks around, I'll just end stream. I'm not doing a stream full of lag. No idea what's causing it though. I just did a speed test. My speeds are fine. So no idea what else it would be. It all still seems fine here at the moment. Yeah, we'll see if it stays that way. Hopefully it does. We might get some spikes here and there. We'll see what happens. But Yeah, that's what happened earlier. I started the stream and it was immediately doing that shit. I was like, fuck this. I ain't dealing with that shit. So, let's export this horn. Mega scans. Horn. I'm gonna take it into Blender. Yeah, it can be frustrating. Yeah, I've no idea, especially when your speeds are fine. Like last time, that night that we had real bad, like, lag issues, that was definitely just my ISP. Like I checked my speed. I did a speed test, and the speed was bad. It was really bad. So that's definitely what was causing it. But right now, my speeds are fine. I just did a speed test right then. I did one earlier today. Both times, the speeds were fine. But we were getting lag issues. Let's see. I'll throw a folder in here called horns. Export that bad boy there. Yeah, it's probably Twitch being Twitch, maybe. It could be. But I'm not sure if it's happening on the YouTube side. I'll have to go back and watch the VOD, I guess, to kind of figure out. Ooh, I just saw a little bit of lag right there. I guess when it happens again, I'll look on YouTube too, see if it's lagging over there as well. Let's go into Blender. Yeah. So let's make some horns. Hydrate? Sure. Good old water. Good old water. So let's pull in, let's just pull in one of our heads. Oh, not there. Here. We also need to make a tail, so maybe I should go ahead and bring a body in too. We can make the horn and the tail. Let me grab... Where did I put it? Here. I'll go ahead and bring in the horn, I guess. Horn is in. Oh, did this come with multiple LODs? It did. We'll just use the top LOD. So let's pull in our character. Oh, I love this song. Every time I hear the Star Fox soundtrack, I just want to play it. Maybe I'll play it on stream one day. I got it on one of my damn whatever those things are called. Brain farting. The thing that you play old games on. Emulator? Yeah, emulator. Yeah, emulator. Yeah. Yeah, I got it on my emulator. I have one installed too for all the old games. Yeah, I got a shitload of old games on my emulator. A shitload. Where is... Here it is. Pull this guy in. Yeah, I like going back and playing some old games. Every now and again, I get in a mood to go back and play some of that stuff. Yeah, the old games are awesome. Yeah, some of them are ass though. There's definitely some old shitty games too. There you go. So, since we're not really doing anything with the head, I'm just gonna delete all these LODs. Yeah, true. And some games, there's some games that I liked when I was a kid that I go back and try now, where I'm like, man, it's just too old now. It's just too, it's too old to actually go back and enjoy it. I'm gonna go ahead and import the body too. Let's just import these. Oh, they're all gonna come with separate bones, aren't they? Alright, let me just pull in the other one then. Let's pull in... Where is it at? In medium narrow body preview. Let's pull that one in. Good news, Discord RPC is all good now and it works. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. What was the problem? How'd you get it fixed? God, I haven't modeled anything in a minute, so I feel like I don't know what I'm doing now. I had to set the status manually when I wanted the stuff to show on Discord. Oh, really? I pretty much just stay invisible on Discord. I don't really ever mess with anything like that. In Blueprint? Yeah? Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about like in Discord you had to show it. Okay, so this is a big ass horn. We're gonna shrink it. Oh, no, no. Yeah, not in Discord. Nice. So let's... Y... Okay, like this. Yeah, it's done automatically? Hell yeah. Yeah, that's freaking amazing. Yeah, I'm good. I guess I need to set that up too. So it just shows like what, like it's just the way of showing what you're playing on Discord, right? But then I had a bunch of problems with displaying the total time the player is in the game for. Yeah, that's you would have to set up code for that, right? To set a timer. Or are you talking about for that specific session, or like total time played at all? Shrill Duck, yo, what's up, Shrill? What you got going on? What up, what up? I should have added a mirror first. Yeah, it's not gonna look right. Oh, it's not too bad, I guess. Although it would probably be better to do this from scratch. Let me just Control Z. And we'll just pull the damn thing back in. That way I know it's... properly... spaced out. Cool. Total time played. I actually needed the Unix epoch time stamp and set it on the status. It was a it was that bit that was tricky. I actually needed to get the what is a Unix epoch timestamp? I've never heard of that. Found another game dev yesterday and they hit the 50 views on their first time streaming on Twitch. Holy shit, first time ever? Damn. That lucky son of a bitch. But hell yeah, who was it? What were they doing? Yes, hell yeah. Good for them. Oh, damn it. I'm already screwing up. Let me Control-Z all this. Let's add a mirror. I forget how to blender. Epoch time is I was in a stream too. Someone called Churro. She was so happy when she got raided. Oh, she got raided. Hell yeah. That's awesome. That is amazing. Hell yeah. Something like this. Smaller though. Something like that, right? Let's just save this. Blender, curse shadows, characters. We'll just save it in here. We'll call it Horns Intel. Horns Intel. Oh no, sorry, I forgot to delete the epoch time is part before that. Yeah, I was wondering what that was. I was like, what? I think that was them. Oh, nice, nice. Keys Gaming, yo, just stopped by to say hi. Gotta get ready for work. Have a good stream, man. Hey, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you have a good day at stream. The name is Charles Cleveland, or Cleveland. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Epoch time is basically the date and time relative to which a computer clock and timestamp values are determined. The Unix time is the number of non-leap seconds which have passed since 0000000 UTC on Tuesday 1st, January 1970. Oh, nice. Is that built into Unreal Engine? Or is that something you have to kind of like do in C++? Churro-Chomp? No? Oh, someone else. Someone else then. So let's do this. Let's set origin to 3D cursor. And that should be good, right? Y'all think these horns look like they're decently spaced for like a devil character? It wasn't, no, I had to do some manual work to get it. See, like I've wondered about doing some timers and stuff because I've thought about setting up a system to display like time in game for like the player to see, but I kind of don't want to do that in Blueprint because that means running a timer the entire time you play the game. So maybe I set something up like that in C++. She went 9 hours, and she would get raided, and then I was like, oh. You gotta go another hour now? Yeah, pretty much. If you get raided, that means you gotta go longer. I can't tell you how many times I'm just like about to end the stream and I get raided and I'm like, well, guess I'm going longer now. think this should be good. We'll export these bad boys to here. Horns. Or we'll just call it Infernian horns. Towards the up. Face. There we go. I'd be like, thanks for the raid. I'm actually about to get off, so I'll see you next time in streams. Yeah, I mean, that happens too. It depends. If it's a big raid, I'm sticking around. Like the time Irish John Games raided me, I was like for real about to hop off stream, but he came in with like 70 something people, and I was like, okay, I'll stick around for a minute. I'll stick around for a while. So let's go. Let's see, where do I want to put these horns? I guess we'll just throw them in models. It's usually 15 or more viewer raise. I will stream longer. Yeah. Yeah. I can feel that. I can feel that. I'll do it for like more than 5. Macro, add the ability to hide your helmet while you wear it. Trust me, we could maybe add something like that. Yeah. Because it'd be kind of like, you know, like some people like changing, like they like keeping the stats of certain armor, but they like it looking a different way. So kind of like something like that. Kind of what you're saying, Macro. What up? How's it going? What up? What up? Yeah, not a bad idea. Some people would like to still see their character's face. Let's see. I'm just gonna throw the make a new folder called character stuff. And we will throw our horns in here. Not there. Characters. Horns. Infernian horns right here. Import all. Now we got the horns, but now I don't know how the material is going to work. I don't know if we should have done some things in Blender to make the previous material work on this, but let's see. Scan 3D assets, skull horns. Is this material fine? It looks like it is. Cool. I'll always stream a little longer if it's over, but I would not stream as much longer if it was 15 or more viewer raid. Yeah, I can feel that. Yeah, pretty much the same. Depends on how many people show up. Yeah, I definitely get that. Collision. We don't need collision on this. We'll remove collision. Let's add this to our character. We can close down Blender for now. Third person, blueprint, third person. We have to kind of treat this like hair. Change the position depending on if you're male and female and the different heads that you put on. So, we're gonna add a static mesh. There's gonna be horns. Oh, what the hell? Put fat finger and stuff. We're gonna add this to our face. And let's see. And let's add our horns. Cool. Yeah, those are not in a good... Well, we have to parent them to the head. And then position them. Position it in some kind of way. Let's say this -90. And then this 90 maybe. No. Gotta figure out this position here. Oh, that's location. I need to be doing rotation now. Don't forget about if you're a duck. Yeah, we have to change it too if you're a duck. Have a little duck with some horns. So 90. -90. Where does that go? No. Move that. This one needs to be -90 right here. Or negative something. -180. -160. -150. -155, something like that. It's hanging out a little bit. -156. Something about like that. Should be pretty good. So, we're just gonna hide this. I'm gonna set visibility. Hide that. If you're not an Infernian, you just don't see it. And then we will change that in the character creator. So, let's do that. Right here. We'll go to the graph. And right here, we need to... Let's see. Maybe we do it in... Oh god. Oh god. We have made mistakes. There we go. Yeah, we need a shitload of room. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. I need to move this guy just way the hell out of the way. We need a lot of room for this shit right here. Let's move that. So we'll do it here, I guess. Works for me. We'll just move all of this back. And then let me grab just the player ref here. We're gonna grab the face. Actually, do I even need to get a face? Can I just grab? Yeah, let me just get horns. And set visibility. But we need to turn this off on all the other classes. So we have to add this to all the other ones and turn it off. Set visibility. And let's check that out. If we choose an Infernian, do we get some horns? Oh, this bug is showing back up. Yeah, this is definitely an engine bug, though. Nothing I can do about that one. So, with the custom cursor, I've seen this bug a few times now. You put a custom cursor in, but sometimes this little hand just appears over it. I had to restart the engine earlier to make it go away. I had to restart it twice to make it go away. The first time I restarted it, it was still there, and I was like, what the hell is this? And then I restarted it again, and it went away. Yeah, that looks like a problem to me. That's an engine thing. Like, there's literally no settings for this. I dug around to figure out what the hell it was. It's literally an engine bug. Annoying problem? Yeah, there's not shit I could do about it. So let's go to class. Elf, half elf, Infernian. We get our horns. Hell yeah. But if we go to any other class now, the horns stay. So we have to turn that off on all the other classes. So let me just grab this right here. Note set visibility. Just gonna copy this. Then we're gonna go to the elf one. I don't know. Is there any other class that should have horns? Probably not. Probably just that class has horns. We're also gonna give them a tail. They get a tail as well. Half elf. Oh, never mind. That was the one we just did. We'll go to Infernian's fine. We need to go to the vampire. Set visibility. And now the Gorgon. Wizard. And let's do Necromancer. then we'll do the Night Reaver. Cool. So let's make sure that's turning off on all the classes. So we go to Infernian, go to Human, go back to Infernian, go back to Elf, Infernian, go back to Half Elf, Infernian, go to Wizard or Vampire, Infernian to Gorgon, Infernian to Wizard, Infernian to Necromancer, Infernian to Night Reaver. Yep, cool. Cool. I think I'm also gonna add in a for when you're in Infernian, you get a special menu over here. We're gonna have another button over here where you can click on the horn, and we'll give it like a color picker. You can change the color of your horn. So that'd be cool. So we could go ahead and give them a tail. So let's do that. OMG, look at the UI. What UI? This UI? You changed some things? Yeah, I rebuilt the whole damn thing. I rebuilt the whole damn UI. Yeah. Yep. It has all been rebuilt. Yep. Awesome. Hell yeah. Yeah, I bought a UI pack. So I'm using a bunch of shit from that. Oh, I need to change this button. I missed that one. I need to fix these buttons too, but for the most part, it's been rebuilt. Hell yeah. Yeah, looks nicer, looks cleaner. Nicer than it was. So let's go make a tail. Trying to debate on how I want to do the tail. Do I want to do tail physics, or do I just want to do an animated tail? Which one do you think would be cooler? Tail physics, or just animate the tail? Probably animate it. Probably look a little less weird. Yeah, animated probably, so you can get it to look how you want. Yeah, physics, that thing would be just flopping around. Just be flopping all over the damn place. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna grab a skin material. Let's use... Probably gonna have to use a different skin texture than the metahuman one for the tail, but I think that'll be okay. Division surface. Let's turn off Unreal Engine for now. Let me grab a reference to some other tales. Let's see. Guess we could just use Karlach as reference. Yeah, something like this. Alright, let me pull this in. Okay. So yeah, we'll just do something similar to her tail. Something like that. Maybe something not quite as long. Basically, it needs to come like right around here. It's a little big. Go a little smaller. Let me just pull this out. Whoops. I'll be right back. Gotcha. It's not completely centered.
Hello, motherfucker.
Who dat? Stitcher King. What's up, Stitcher King? What you got going on? What up, what up? What it do? We out here making a tail. We making a tail, boy. Maybe to about here. Nothing currently. 22:49 for me. Got work at 15 tomorrow. Damn, so it's about bedtime. Had a chill stream so far? Yeah, it's been pretty chill so far. We made some horns. We got some horns set up in our for our Infernian class, basically our devil class in the game. And now we're making a tail for it. Inspired by these guys in Baldur's Gate 3. So yeah, it's been pretty cool. I think about how I'm gonna do this. Thought it was gonna be a cat girl class. Nah, it's gonna be like a devil class. Yeah, I think I already have a tail similar to this made somewhere. I kind of forget how I did it. Maybe I still have it. I might have deleted it though. Oh, I do. Let me see how I did this tail. Maybe I could just use this tail. Because I've already done this once before, a while ago. Yeah, I basically already have a tail in here that is pretty much what I'm looking for. Kinda. It's a little different. A little different. Let me just look at what I did down here. Okay. Okay. I see, I see. I like the devil class more. It could be neat, especially if there are a lot of customizations for the horns and tails. Yeah, we'll see what kind of customizations we can make to it. We could make some custom horns and different kinds of tails, maybe. Could be cool. Like choose, have an option between a few different kinds of tails. Could be cool. Yeah, sadly we don't have any cat classes. No Khajiits here. No Khajiits. Okay. Kind of see what I'm doing here. Let me just pull this one back. And me back at this. How did I manage this? Oh, I see what I did. Looks devilish, very devilish. Yeah, it's kind of what we're trying here. It's what we're gonna try and get done. I guess I just pulled that up. Local, normal, oh, come on. Fine. Do like this. Normal. I think the other one turned out better. Let me see. Oh, I added in some loop cuts in there to kind of get it to do what I wanted. Makes sense. Pull this guy down. This also needs to come in. Getting closer. Wouldn't it be cool if the players could choose one type of horn style, then choose the length and thickness of it? Might be tricky to implement, but just a suggestion, so not every customization is so static. You know what I mean? Ooh. I'm trying to think about how I would be able to pull that off. So basically, we could maybe do something like that. Let me think about... When did the music stop? YouTube playlist. Let me just go down here. Let me think about how I would pull that off. Because we could do some things like that with morph targets. Can we do morph targets on something that's not a skeletal mesh, though? We can do shape keys. So maybe we can. Let's see. Let's just give it a little test here. Oh wow, the vertices to this. Let's go to faces. Tries the quads. That didn't help very much. -1. Some people go crazy over customizing their character to exactly how they want it to feel more unique. Yeah, people love character creators, for sure. I could definitely spend a shitload of time at a character creator. But that could be cool. Maybe we could add morph targets to the tail. To the tail and the horns. It could be potentially manageable. And that's something I don't think that I've seen in any games. Let's just give a little test right here. So if we grab this, oh, let me pin this and grab it just as a tester here. We can indeed create morph targets for a static mesh. So it would be doable. So like what we could do is like, you know, pull the length of this. You could control the length of that right there. You could potentially even like change some of the angle of this as a morph. I didn't have it pinned. Something like this. You could control some of the angle of that. I recently tried Enshrouded and was very disappointed in how lacking the customization was. I still haven't played it. I wanna definitely give Enshrouded a try though. But yeah, some customized character creators are pretty basic. for sure. Make sliders for different morph points so they can almost shape it however they want. It would be very unique and fitting, but I understand it might be a lot of work. You might be hesitant. I think it would be cool, actually. I mean, we're already doing morph targets on our faces and stuff. Why not add morph targets to things like this?
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo, Lord Kitty's back. What up? So Stitcher King just gave a badass idea about adding morph targets to these horns and stuff, which could be cool. And we just did a test morph here. So yeah, you could do something like that. We could add another shape key here. And let me pin this. You could change the angle of it, maybe. To something like that. That one's not perfect, but you could change the angle of that, maybe. Oh, I didn't have it pinned. Yeah, you could do shit like that. Pull that guy out. Pull this guy in. Yeah, it would be doable. It is something that would be doable. Amazing, I'm pumped for that if you implement it. This goes for the tail too. When you think about it, yeah, you could definitely do it to the tail. So if we went to the... Ooh, actually, let me think about that. Because we're going to add bones to the tail. I mean, I think it should still work. But you could definitely add, like, shape keys. And... like, say if we pinned this and pulled out, like, the tail link... Well... Let me pull the radius of this way up. Like, pull the length out. You could potentially make the tail longer and stuff. Same with thickness. Let's add a shape key. And just highlight everything. You could... Let's highlight everything from, like, here. Right. Let me try that again. That one likes to go that way. Let me grab this. Trying to think about how I would control the thickness of it. So that's kind of scaling everything. Well, what I could do is just come in and sculpt the thickness of it, but that would be pretty tricky. I would need more vertices too. Yeah. I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Why are you just doing this in Blender makes it look very seamless and cool? And yeah, that might complicate it. Yeah, doing things with the tail seems like it would be a little bit more challenging than the horns. But I could definitely think of some cool things to do with the horns. The tail, I'm not really sure what kind of shape keys you could add to it other than like changing the length. The thickness would be something, but I'm just trying to think about how you would pull that off. I don't know. Either way, let's just finish the tail first. We just finish the tail first. The tail still ain't even quite looking right. Look at what I did here. Turn that off. What did I do over here? The point came way, way down. I'm half tempted to just export this one because this tail's pretty good. I just don't need the bones to it. Do I already have this tail exported? I probably do. Yeah, I do right here. Let me import this tail. We could probably do some things to it. I could just unparent the bones from it. Where would it be? Right here. Let me grab this tail. And then we could just use this guy. And let me... Where's the bones to this? Why are you not showing me the bones? There's the bones. Yeah, maybe at least scaling the tail will be doable, because then you're just resizing the bones as well. Yeah, I don't know if like I don't think moving, scaling it would be doable, but like stretching it, I don't think if you stretch the mesh, I don't think the bones stretch with it. At least not that I'm aware of, but we can take a look. I don't think so though. We'll see. I'm just gonna, I mean, this tail's, let me just see what I need to do to this tail to make this one okay. I think I need to unparent it. Clear parent. Oh god. The tail became massive. And it did some other stuff. Let's just delete these bones. And we'll scale this guy down. Yeah, stretching it is tough, but scaling it gives at least some type of tail customization. Yeah, something like that could be doable. Huge tail, yeah, that's how big we're gonna let you make it. You can make that bad boy bigger than your body. Alright, it needs to come down a bit. And we'll angle it to about there. Yeah, we pretty much already have morphs on this one. We just need to name them. We could save these morphs. Because that's what it looked like from the rip, but with the morphs, you can do... Oh, whoops, wrong thing. With the morphs, we could maybe think of a few other things to do to it too. You could do that. So, let's see what we could do about this tail.
Hello, motherfucker.
Junum, yo, what's up, Junum? What you got going on? What up, what up? Yo, yo, what up, Junum? We out here making our devil class. We got some horns. Now we're doing some tail stuff. I can actually go ahead and just close this one down. Just chilling again? Hell yeah, did you have school today? So I need to rig it. Are you good, bro? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. We just out here chilling, making a tail. We're about to rig it up. Let's add armature. Yes, and tomorrow I'll have to, and then it'll be the weekend, right? Do you get Saturdays and Sundays off? While we're doing bones, let me... where's it at? object mode. I forget how to Blender. Don't touch Blender for a few weeks and I forget where everything is. Pretty sure it's somewhere around here. There it is. Right there. Just search for it. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, them off days. Them off days are nice, right? But hell yeah, how's school going? How has that been? Oh, good. Today we start to see some things about Python. Oh shit, you're diving into Python? How has that been? Easy? Python's easy? Yeah, I've never messed with Python. Python is more easy than other languages? Really? Is it? Well, that's good to know, I guess. Too bad I need to learn friggin' C++ for Unreal Engine. So let's parent with automatic weights. Compose. Seems to be working. We can animate the tail. So I am kind of curious about the whole stretching this. Like if we just sculpt this guy out, the bones don't move with it, right? No, they don't. But what if we sculpt this and then we go to pose mode? Does it still control it pretty good? Let's see. Seems to. We just won't have more bones to control it down that way. It'll do everything that the last bone did to it. So I asked the teacher about this and they said, you don't necessarily need to study just one language, but rather know the logic and basics of programming language. Is the last factor to be studied? Yeah, from what I've heard, if you know one language, it's a lot easier to learn other languages. I've heard that a lot. So hopefully that's the case. That would be useful as hell, right? Let's arc seam. We'll go from here all the way down. Hydrate. Good old water. Okie dokie.
This is a reminder to save your work now, for fuck's sake.
Save? Sure. Do save. Preach. Yes, then for me to know about Unreal C++, it's easier by looking at Unreal's own documents. Yeah, I've been diving into that Unreal C++ too. It's, I think give me some time. I'll get it down. It'll just take a little time. Let me look at the name here. It's kind of hard to see. Let me pull it up on the old YouTube. Pull this guy up. Diving into that Unreal C++. Jonas Haddad. Hi, good job. Hey, I appreciate it. Where's the delete your work redeem? You ain't getting that redeem. Hell nah. We ain't deleting no work. Hell nah. If we did add that redeem, it would cost 500 million something points. Maybe we just go down, yeah, down to there. I guess. Sure. Not too sure how I should deal with that seam. Maybe I should go down. Sure, let's see. Mark seam. And then we'll mark seam here. Right? Maybe. We'll see. What? I know, right? Hell nah. Oh, delete your work, you say? I got you? Hell nah. Oh, you gonna delete your work? The retopology was very good. Hey, I appreciate. Yeah, this was actually something I built like a year ago, and I just snagged it to reuse it. Yeah, I appreciate. Are you gonna use morph? Yes, we are. We've already done a lot of morphs. I still got some more to do, but we are. We just added morphs to these horns right here too. If you want to look at them, we might add some more morphs to our horns and tails and stuff. Yeah. See, we got morphs on the horns right here. You can kind of shape them out in some different ways. Yeah. Maybe we add some more stuff to it. I don't know. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Friggin' ads. So there's a tilt. Never mind, I was gonna say play a sound with blurb where someone aggressively says delete a bunch of times. I ran out of bits. Oh no, no more biddies. All out of the biddies. Ah, it'll be alright though. Where did this skin go? Do I need to find that skin again? Grab that skin. Not right, the right color right now, but it doesn't really matter. I just kind of want to see what is going on with the down here. Looks like that should be fine. Cool. Cool. Should we go ahead and animate it? I'm kind of wondering if I should add an IK bone to this. Sure. Let's add an IK. If I can remember how to do IK, I haven't done any of this shit in a minute. I know this needs to be not parented, right? Let's rename the bones as well. Call this tail 0. Call this tail 1. Tail 2. Tail 3. Tail 4. Tail 5. And tail IK. I've added health and armor to my game. Now it's time for me to add sprinting. Hell yeah. You gonna add stamina too? Stamina gonna be a thing? So let's see if I can remember how to do IK. What is it? Control I? No. Is it Shift I? Yes. And now we have Tail IK. But now I need to go in here to the constraints. Chain length is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to control up to there. And maybe we go one more. Looks a little weird. Right. I don't know. Because I don't really want it moving around there, because you can get some weird stuff going on. But, oh god. Would it look that weird? It's kind of hard to tell with the damn bones. Let me change the bones from in front. I want to hide these now. I'm gonna pose. Not sure. I don't think so, to be honest. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, it's not necessary. A lot of games don't really do stamina. Hey, Carrie, it's that time again? Okay, okay. It's that time again. I know what time it is. Alright, let me grab the link here. Where's it at? Why don't I see it? There it is. It's muted. There we go. Here, let's see. Can I send you a link to the YouTube video? Speaking of more, you might want to send it on either the Discord or on Twitch. Because if you send links on YouTube, it'll just straight up delete it. Yeah, YouTube chat don't like links. For whatever the hell reason. Legend of Zelda, let's go. A banger, hell yeah. Good old Zelda. Oh, also, I finally pushed my files to GitHub. Oh shit, did you? I still need to do that on my project. I've just been backing it up in zip files. Yeah, I need to do that as well. Maybe we add one more chain. Let's see what it looks like with one more chain.
This is a reminder to save your work now for fuck's sake.
Save? Sure. Good old save. Unishad, is that the video? Let's take a peek. Let me pull it up here. This guy.
Hello and welcome to another video, where today I'm going to show you how to do morph targets inside Blender, bring them into Unreal, and then control them via a UMG interface.
Indeed, indeed. Yeah, I already know how to do this. I already know how to do all
Scale
this.
it up a little bit. Here, right click.
Yeah, we're already doing all of
from
this on our
I'm
character
going to
creator.
or set our morph on this. Collect all my mesh, and the best thing about the level blueprint is we can reference this easily. A little bit complicated, but just do it the way I'm doing it for now, and it'll start to make a little bit of sense.
Yeah, definitely pretty cool, right? Definitely felt definitely pretty cool though. Yeah, we're already doing this. We're doing morphs on our character, our metahumans already. But pretty nifty. Yeah, finally, yeah, now you don't gotta worry about losing your damn project like you were kind of panicking about the other day. Oh, that tail looking good? Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. It's getting there. In my opinion, it's not spiky enough to be devilish. What devilish slashes their enemies with a blunt-shaped tail? Well, I mean, it's not really gonna be a weapon. It's just kind of there for looks. What are you talking about, like the point? This little point right here? We could try to make it more spiky. Oh wow, we got a bunch of vertices. That might be a bitch and a half. J Fury, I just felt a collective Control S. Control S. There we go. There's no more clutch feeling that being in the zone, working for a few hours, and then realizing you hit Control S for the first time. Oh shit! I never go hours without saving. I'm like a serial saver. Like basically after any like change that I make that I know I'm keeping, I save. Like I save like crazy. What up, Jay Fury? What you got going on? Cool. Yeah. We're doing morph targets. We are indeed already doing those on our character. We haven't done them in not in this file. We're just kind of doing our devil stuff here. Modeling a lighter? Hell yeah. What kind of lighter? Like one of the like a zip lighter, one of the ones that flip up and you do that, or just like a regular like one of these kind of lighters? Zippo, yeah, Zippo, one of those Zippos, yeah. Bic lighter? Hell yeah, I like Bics. Bic is the go-to. Bic is the go-to. Hell yeah. So why am I not seeing my... Oh, there we go. Yeah, I guess we do that. That works. And we have a tail. We have a tail that we can animate. Hell yeah. Ing Martijong, have a nice day. Bye. Hey, you have a good one as well. I'll see you around. Some hard surface practice? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's good to get some practice in. How long you been doing some modeling? Baldur's Gate chick? Yeah, Karlak. What's up, Silent? What you got going on? Yeah, we were kind of just looking at that tell for reference. Just kind of getting a reference. Because we're making a devil class in our game as well. But, yeah. We were just looking at that for reference. But what you been up to, man? 87 years? For real? 87 years? That's a long-ass time. Has modeling even been around for 87 years? On and off 4 years now? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a decent amount of time. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I've been on and off for about the same time as well. About 4 to 5 years. With like game dev stuff in general. I started learning about 5 years ago, and I've definitely had some long ass breaks in there where I didn't touch any of this shit for a while. And then I come back to it, and then I just don't touch it, and then I come back to it. That kind of a thing. Power World Showdown featuring Pirate Software? What you talking about? What you talking about? What's your preferred game engine? I use Unreal Engine. What about you? What do you use? Yeah, we're building our game in good old Unreal Engine. Nice, I got into Godot. Nice, yeah, I've heard Godot's pretty good. I know it's been popping off in recent times. Yeah, I've watched a few people using it. It seems pretty nifty. It's on Pirate Software stream, but like, what is it? Like, what's happening? Power World Showdown featuring Pirate Software. What does that mean? Some sort of Power World Showdown that he's featuring in? I'm not sure. Curious. Hell yeah. Maybe I hop in and check some of that out when I hop off, because we're gonna be hopping off in a little while. It's lightweight most of all. The engine is only 400 megabytes, and Unreal is 36.5 gigabytes. Yeah, Unreal Engine is heavy. That's like the worst part of Unreal Engine, is how friggin' heavy it is. Like, my PC struggles with like, not only is it a big ass file, but it's also heavy on your hardware and shit. Like, yeah, my PC be struggling with Unreal Engine. So let's go ahead and export this. We can add animations to it later. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and do a pee break. I'll do a pee break. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Did the music stop again? Okay, looks like we're good. Twitch rivals. What's that? Twitch rivals? I don't know. What is that? Is that a thing? What is that? That's why Godot is nice and enough, unless you plan on doing AAA. Yeah, I haven't messed around with it. Maybe I'll mess around with it one day, but maybe. I've heard good things about it. So let's set this. Set origin to 3D cursor. There we go. And let's export the tail. File, export. Oh no, we have an animation. Why don't we have an animation? I apparently made some keyframes in there.
Oh, I'm not like the Flash at all. Some would say I'm the reverse.
What? Oh, is that was Rusey that did that. What's up, Rusey? What up, Rusey? What you got going on? I've tried Unity and UE5, but I definitely prefer UE5. The game always looks so much cleaner, and I hate having to work with so many damn render pipelines in Unity. Yeah, I started in Unity. I used it very, very briefly when I started learning game dev stuff. And then I switched to Unreal Engine, and I've kind of just been on Unreal Engine since then. I mean, for the types of games I'm interested in making, Unreal Engine can pretty much do it all. But yeah, the downside to Unreal Engine is that you really need a solid PC for Unreal Engine, which I do plan on upgrading my PC. I just got to get the funds up for it. V-Rusey using my sound? Yeah, see? Someone else used it. Someone else used it. Oh, what's up, Rusey? Use my blurp sound? Yeah, we added that sound for Lord Kenny yesterday. So this is going to be our Infernian tail. What up, Rusey? What you got going on? Selected objects. Y forward, Z up. Face. Uncheck add leaf bones and bake animations. Infernian tail. And export. Also created the sound and added blurb. Oh, yeah. You did make it. You made it. I forgot about that part. We have trouble reconnecting to Epic Games. Why not? Why? What's going on with the internet? What? I guess I don't need that. I just need this. Internet acting weird today. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna add this tail in, and I'll probably go ahead and just hop off. Hop off and chill. Although, I don't know. Maybe there's something else we could do in here. We could go ahead. We can add the tail. We can make it visible and not visible when you can choose Infernian. We can also go ahead and try to make the material to it. There's a few things we could do in here real quick. Maps. Main menu. Hydrate. Good old Watto. Good old Watto. Good old Watto. Let me go ahead and do this. And pool size 1300. There we go. And let's go to third person blueprint right here. So, before we do anything in here, we need to... Oh god, why is it doing that? I don't know why it does that sometimes. There you go. Let's go ahead and add. Let's go to our models folder, character stuff. Make a new folder. Horns. Right here. Models folder, tails. And let me go back to here. Where did I export that to? Guess I exported it to here. That's fine. It's gonna be its own skeletal mesh. Import. Oh, what? Why? Did I mess up the export? Multiple roots are found in the bone hierarchy? What you talking about? What you talking about? Multiple roots. Oh, wait a second. I've seen this before. I think if I... import morph targets. I think if I do that, that doesn't show up again. Nope, it still did it. Here, let me see it. I'm gonna go take a shower. I just woke up. Hey, well, enjoy your shower. Enjoy your shower. Armature. I need to rename this root. Root. Let's see. Does that help? Sometimes I forget about time zones, man. It'd be nice to be cozy, cozy morning right now. Yeah, it's like late for you, right? Yeah, damn time zones. Time zones are weird. It's like 5:40 in the afternoon for me right now. Okay, that fixed it. But now we need a new skin. So let me grab that skin texture. I forget how to do it. Click on this guy. 2242 for me? Damn, it's late as hell. Well, I guess that's not late as hell. That's like 10 at night, right? 10:42 pretty much. Let's see if I can remember how to get a hold of these textures. UV editor maybe? No. No. Oh, right here. Skin. Can I save it here somehow? I forget. Forget how to do it. There's a way of saving it. Unpack. New. How do I save it? I forget. Yeah, that's not too bad. I normally go to bed around like midnight. About what time I go to bed. Or at least in recent times. That might be changing soon if I go back to my old damn job. I'll be on that night shift. Image, save. Here it is. I'm gonna save it. Let's save it to the same folder. Characters. Horns. Right here. Skin to diffuse. Let me also grab that. Normal. Save that one as well. Save. To the same folder. Skin to normal. Let's grab... bump. Image, save as... I probably should have been saving this as PNG. We can go back and resave those. Those other ones as PNG. Image, save as... PNG. Go grab the normal, save as PNG. And do we need any of these other ones? What are these? We got the bump, got the diffuse, normal height, smooth. We go look at what they're doing in the UV, or not UV editor, the shader editor. Smooth. They're using the smooth as the roughness. That's going into the normal. Okay. So yeah, we want this smooth one. That'll be our roughness. Image, save as smooth. PNG. Oh, where did that save to? We go back here. Horns. Save that. Yeah, that should be fine. I go to bed around 2 a.m. Damn. Yeah, I mean, I can definitely screw off my sleep schedule sometimes like that. But recently I've been like going to bed around like midnight and waking up around like 6, 7 a.m. depending. What job? My old job. I worked at damn Walmart. I was a stalker. I went and talked to my old boss last night about potentially going back. So we'll see what happens. We shall see. I just need that monies. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Friggin' ads. Free. Do we want to use our master for this? Let's go to let's try it with this. Create a material instance. And we'll call this skin. Or we'll call it tail skin. And we'll throw this in our models. Throw it in here. Right here. Well, I sleep at that time. Sometimes go to bed earlier and just struggle to get to sleep. Yeah, going to sleep could be hard. I kind of prefer just going to bed when I'm like absolutely wore the hell out. Makes it easier. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, sometimes it's hard as hell to go to sleep. Sometimes. Oh god, I don't think we want that. So let's see. Let's open up our tail here. And let's throw our skin material on it. And let's go into the skin material. I'm just gonna pull this to the side for now, so we can get an idea of how it's looking. I'm actually gonna go into the skin texture and bump the saturation down. And then go into the material and change the color. Yeah, hell yeah. Actually, we should probably add our material collection parameter to this. Let me think about how I want to do this. Multiply. I'm gonna add a switch parameter. Call this use skin color picker. If it's false, we'll just plug into that. If it's true, we'll plug into that. And just plug into here. And plug this guy into here, and then true will be, let me grab my collection parameter. And this is going to be skin color picker. That in using skin color. Cool. So let's use skin color picker. Set that to true. Node multiply something between. Oh, hold up. We got a error. Let me see. Make material attribute error. We don't get any warning over here, but I don't like it over here. Node multiply. Maybe instead of let me think. We might just have to make a separate material for this. Might not be a bad idea. So we'll just get rid of let me see. Let me think. What if we just do this? Yeah, we'll just get rid of it. Just undo all that. Get rid of that. Plug that guy in. Yeah, we'll just make a new material for it. Works for me. That means here we need to make a material. I'm just gonna delete that. Right here, I'm gonna create material. We're just gonna call this skin master underscore imp, because we might use this on some other shiz later. And we'll make it pretty basic for now. We might add shit to it later. Put that in there, throw that in there. And let's make this a parameter. We'll call this again Beto Make this a parameter. Skin. Normal. Go into here. And convert to parameter. Skin roughness. Throw that guy into here. Then we'll add a multiply. Scalar parameter. Roughness. Or we'll just call that roughness for now. And then I need to look at that other material, take some notes from it for some things I might want to do to this. We'll make default 0.5. And then right here, multiply switch static switch parameter. Use a skin color picker. If it's false, it'll do that. If it's true, it'll do this. And then collection parameter. Skin color. Throw that guy in there. Apply. Then should be fine for now. We can add some shit to it later. Create material instance. Infernian tell underscore mi. Underscore mi. There we go. Use skin color picker. Sure. Oh, what is it? Not like. Maybe we have to. Do I have to mask? Maybe. Which one do I have to mask? I forget. Let me go look at my metahuman thing. I forget. We have to match the collection parameter. So that's probably what the issue was on the other thing then. We probably could add this to our other material. We'll do this for now. I might change it later. RGB. Apply. And then over here, we'll get that. Roughness. Set to 1, 2. 2.5. For now. And then a third person blueprint here. And let's add a skeletal mesh. This is going to be our tail. And we'll attach this to the mesh. And we're going to add our Infernian tail. Let's go ahead and give that Infernian tail our material as well. Wherever it is. right here. Oh yeah, we should add some tiling. But for now, we'll just do this. And we'll add tiling. Where's the... right here. Put that to 1. Then here we can do this. Set it to like 8. A lot better. We also go into here. There you go. To the tail. Close. We need to parent this to the pelvis. Hydrate? Sure. Good old water. Good old water. So now we need to fix the rotation. Good old water indeed. So 90, no. Negative 90. And then right here should be negative 90, right? About like that. Maybe negative 92. Yeah. So we have tilt. We have a tilt. So let's set visibility. And then we need to go and change the visibility of this in our character creator. I'm just gonna set it visible on Infernian to take a look at it real quick. Make sure that is working. Character creator. Right here. So, let me go to Infernian. Right here. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab the tail. Get tail. Hook that guy up. And this should give us a tail when we click on that class. I fixed the texture trimming. There you go. So, class, Infernian, we have horns and we have tail. So, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I need to add that multiply that I'm doing on the other skin for this as well. For that tail skin. But it works! Woohoo! Yeah, we got a devil class started. Sick. Ayy. Ayy. Still needs some work. But that is essentially the start of it. Hell yeah. Friggin' amazing. Looks awesome. Hey, I appreciate it. You gotta figure out the horn customization too eventually. Don't forget to note that down. Yeah, we'll do some tweaking with that. Add a few different kinds of horns. Add some things that we could do with it. We could definitely add some morphs to it. Maybe we'll work on that in the next stream. Work on the morphs for the horns. I really can't wait to play this game when it comes out. Hey, maybe when I start doing some testing, I'll send you some copies. You could do play some testing. J Fury 55 Baldur's Gate clone? Not exactly. We're definitely taking inspiration from Baldur's Gate for like a lot of the classes and characters, but the gameplay will be completely different. Like we have a Necromancer. Baldur's Gate 3 doesn't have a Necromancer. Yeah. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Hell yeah. Bobo, yo! Tell have collision. For cloth, Tell has no collision. No collision. Yeah, there's no collision on the Tell. Or at least not right now. We could add collision to it. Actually, I don't know. We have to do some testing with that. You know that took like 7 years? You're in for a challenge, but it does look good. We're definitely not doing something that crazy. We're not doing anything near as crazy as Baldur's Gate 3. Trust me, it's gonna be big, but it's not gonna be near that big. It's gonna be big for a solo dev, but it's not gonna be that big. Trust me, I know I can't go too crazy with it. Here, let me see. GE Games, will this game come out on Steam? Hopefully, that's the plan. I would like to be able to get it out on Steam and such. It'll be a while though. You basically end stream when I'm in my shift. Yeah, we're about to go ahead and hop off of here in a second here. I'm gonna just take a look at that again. Yep. We have tail, we have horns. So next we need to kind of change, like if we go to female right now, those horns are not going to be... Oh, well, we need to set up our female Infernian stuff first, but yeah. We still got some work to do. Right now, if we go to female, we keep our male head. Yeah. So we got some things to work on. But it is working. You'll get it sorted eventually. Yeah, we'll get it. No better TV emotes? TV emotes? What you mean? An extension that lets you add emotes for free? Oh, I never heard of it. Maybe we could add that. I've never even heard of it. I'm using better TV. Are you? You're meaning that you can use the better TV emotes on here? BetterTTV.com emotes. It's a Chrome extension. Let me take a look at the link real quick. Aaron. Let's see. Okay, I just logged in. Does it automatically add it? Or do I need to, like, set it up? Here, let me see. KEKW is mandatory emo. Here, let's see. I think I just grabbed it. Do I have it? No. How do I add it? Is it only for streamers? I have no idea. I logged in, but how the hell do I add the extension to the... How do I add it? Let me see. I don't see the extension on my extension list here. So let me see if I can figure out how to do that. But you have to manually add the emotes you want to be available in the channel. Oh, I see. I see. So how do we do that? Channel? Here, let's see. Did that one add? Any create emote set? Did that? I don't know. Makes sense? Yeah, it makes sense. KKW? Yeah, this is the one I'm grabbing, but I don't know if... Let me see. Done it before, but don't really remember. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it figured out here. It works? Did it work? I don't see it. I don't see it. Yes, for us? Does it? I don't see it. I just see KKW. Why don't I see it? You have to download the extension on Chrome? I don't see the extension thing on here. Maybe connections? Yeah, I don't see any kind of extension thing. Oh, that link? Here, let me see. Let me grab the extension. Add to Chrome. You'll see it in the Twitch chat? Cool. Sure. Let's see if I see it now. I see it. Oh, I do see it. I do see it. Yeah, it works. I don't see it in my chat up here, but I do see it if I actually go onto the Twitch website. Okay, looks like it's working. Oh, I thought you were looking at the chat on the stream in the corner. We can't see it there either, but can see it directly in the Twitch chat here. Yeah, I had to go actually onto the Twitch chat. So like the way I look at chat, it's on a TV on the Twitch app. So, yeah. But if I go, yeah, if I actually go to the page, I can see it. Hell yeah. You could also make your chat overlay on a stream. Have those emotes. You just have to switch on a button on the Discord or on the dashboard settings for the one you're using. If you understand. English ain't my first language. Oh, you're talking about like when you, like the emotes happen, they'll like show on screen. I have seen that. Where do I turn that on at? Let me read that again. Just have to switch on a button on the dashboard settings for the one you're using. The dashboard on Twitch. Or somewhere else. So the chat on your stream we could see can also have those emotes, but it's a button somewhere most likely. I wasn't using Streamlabs, but should be the same, I assume. So somewhere on Streamlabs it would be, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to do some digging on that. Quick tutorial. Let's take a look. Let's take a peek. Let me pause the music.
Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get BTTV and Frank Your Face emotes in your Slobs chat. So I join a lot of people's chats and I get excited when I see, their emotes, and you send them and they're usually like, oh, I can't see those since I'm using Slobs. I have my Slobs chat up. So it's super, super simple. There's actually a setting in Slobs that you can just turn on, and then just like that, you'll be able to see them in your chat. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to go over to the bottom
Settings
left
appearance.
corner. You'll see that little settings button. So you'll click that settings button. You're going to go down about a little more than halfway down to the appearance. And right here, enable better TTV emotes.
Oh, I have seen this setting before.
Turn both of those on. You'll see the chat should
and
refresh.
This.
You can mess with your Frank Your Face settings here.
Right. Does that work?
Just like that, you should be able to click right down here. And there they are. So there's those.
Oh, cool.
And
yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
7 Bambi I7. Hey, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow.
Let me fix this real quick.
I appreciate
my chat.
Never ever heard anyone call Streamlabs slobs? Oh, I have. I have before, for sure. Yeah, I do Frankers as well. Another extension most people use. Hell yeah. Yeah, I turned it on. I don't think I have the extension though. It's on in the settings over here though. But hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay. So I think now you just need to refresh the chat browser thingy on your Streamlabs. But it'll be fixed for next stream most likely. Have a good night, man. Hey, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Yeah, we'll call it here. I'm going to call it here for this one. Let's see if there's anyone we want to raid out to. So, let's look. Awesome stream, man. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate. So, let's see. Oh, let's raid out to Marius Works, who has been hanging out here a lot recently. And also raided us the other day, so we can get him back. Marius, yes? Yes. Marius. So, yep. We're gonna raid out. Already in his stream on another tab. Hey! There you go. Alright, so yep. We're gonna call it here. I'll be back on tomorrow. We'll do some more stuff. We'll see what we have to do by then. But yep. I appreciate everyone for hanging out. I'll see you on the next one. Oh, wait. I gotta do the countdown. Forgot to do the countdown. So, we got a second here. Jay Fury, bye. Good time. Hey, I appreciate you hanging out. You have a good one. See you? Yeah, I appreciate you. Appreciate all y'all.